To turn off screen reader read keyboard input aloud in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down on screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, tap settings, and then select verbosity. Tap read keyboard input aloud. Select keyboard you want, for example on-screen keyboard, or you can also select a physical keyboard, and then tap none to turn off read keyboard input aloud. When you select none and turn on voice assistant or screen reader, system
voice assistant on, screen reader, One UI home,
keyboard you
messages, double tap and hold to long press, showing items 1 to 5 of 44, T deleted, showing item 1 of 1.
This time will be not read your type. Okay, thank you for watching.
Keyboard hidden, One UI home.